Paper vouchers and gift cards are common mediums used for decades in presenting a proof of purchase. Through these instruments, merchants can secure a sale from the consumer first and fulfill it later. However, as a medium, vouchers are held back by wider adoption by their physical form. Common problems faced are high printing costs, expensive handling, costly delivery charges, denominational challenges, as well as complaints like expiry and losses. The idea around Violet is to digitize the whole process of issuing, storage, presentation, validation, and consumption of these vouchers. With Violet, consumers will be able to discover a wide range of offerings on their mobile phones. They can then select, pay for, store, and ultimately present them to the merchants for products and services that they desire. On the other hand, Violet will also empower merchants to transact with the consumers easily through their smartphones or point of sales without having to worry about the production, storage, and reconciliation of these vouchers. Ultimately, this should help increase sales, lower costs, and bring more value for money to the consumers.